If you're on the quest for the secret to the easiest, simplest and crunchiest pork belly, well, look no further because the secret is here. It's the air fryer. Forget parboiling and forget having to scald with boiling hot water, and definitely leave that hairdryer in the bathroom. This method is ridiculously easy and the results are nothing but crunch. Okay, let's get this pork cracking. So first things first, when you're buying your pork, make sure you get a nice flat piece with a good amount of that pink meat visible. And then we need to dry out the pork skin as much as possible. This will help us achieve that beautiful crunchy result. We're just gonna pat it dry with some paper towel. I dried this piece out overnight, so it's ready to go. Then, using a skewer or a Stanley knife, pierce holes all over the pork rind. And I mean hundreds of them, but without cutting all the way through the rind into the meat. Turn the pork over and rub in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and a scattering of fennel seeds. Make sure you don't get any on the rind, then turn it back over. Pat the rind dry again and then sprinkle it with salt. Arrange a sliced onion in the Philips XXL air fryer basket. Then place the pork on top, rind side up, using the onions to help level out the pork so it sits nice and evenly. Now we want a really high heat, so set the temperature to 200 degrees and the time to 45 minutes. And then just press the dial in to begin cooking. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a slaw to serve with the pork. And since as there is no better combo than pork and apple, well, I'm going to team it up with a crisp apple slaw. Starting with the apple, just halve it, core it, and thinly slice it. And then add red cabbage, carrot, shallots, and parsley. Then just toss it all together. Then in a jar, pour lemon juice, olive oil, and a little Dijon mustard. Season with salt and pepper, and then shake it until it's combined. Then drizzle that over the top of the salad. Okay, are you ready? It's time for the big reveal. Oh my goodness, look at that. Golden, bubbly, crackling. I'm so excited. Now just let it rest for a couple of minutes to allow those meat juices to settle. In 3, 2, 1. Crispy, crackling and tender, succulent meat. And look at all of that fat. Thanks to the Philips fat removal technology, naturally occurring fats from within the pork have been extracted and captured. That is a serious amount of fat and from just one pork belly. So instead of consuming it, we can capture it and throw it out. A much healthier option. Then serve your pork with the apple slaw and then get ready to impress. A simple, easy and always reliable recipe. Perfect pork belly at the touch of a button. For more recipes and inspiration, check out the Philips NutriU app. It's free to download, and with over 500 recipes, you're sure to find just the recipe you need.